I looked into Primal Viking supplements, and honestly, they show a lot of the classic warning signs you see with aggressive online supplement brands. The marketing is full of bold claims about boosting strength, testosterone, and overall Viking energy, but there's almost no transparent ingredient information. The dosages are unclear, the formula descriptions are vague, and there's zero mention of scientific testing or third-party verification. That's always a red flag. When I searched for real customer reviews, most of the positive ones looked generic or copy-pasted across multiple platforms. The more honest reviews mentioned weak results, unexpected subscription charges, and trouble contacting customer support. That's common with supplement companies that rely heavily on flashy ads rather than real product quality. The website design also feels like one of those template-based sales pages used by short-lived brands. No listed company address, no certifications, and no verifiable team behind it. Legit supplement companies usually highlight manufacturing standards. Primal Viking doesn't. So, is Primal Viking a scam? You'll probably receive the product, but its effectiveness and safety are questionable. If you're serious about health or performance support, it's smarter to stick with brands that publish complete ingredient lists, dosages, and third-party lab results.